Welcome back, viewers. Today we're diving into the fastest ways to relieve constipation right from the comfort of your home. Defecation is crucial to keeping our bodies healthy, and while it's not the most pleasant topic, but it's important to discuss. So let's get into it. Typically, a person should have 3 or more bowel movements per week, but constipation makes this difficult. It occurs when fecal matter hardens in the colon, leading to painful or infrequent bowel movements. Some common symptoms include belly bloating, hard or small stools, and a feeling that not everything came out. Causes can range from insufficient fiber or water intake, stress, lack of exercise, certain medications, resisting the urge to go, pregnancy, eating disorders, to conditions like hypothyroidism or neurological disorders. Now, you might be wondering about the quickest home remedies for constipation. We're about to cover the top 4 drinks that can help alleviate your symptoms fast. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. First up, water. Staying hydrated is essential. Drinking 8 to 9 cups a day can ease digestion, support muscle function, and speed up nutrient processing, all of which help maintain regular bowel movements. Next, lemon juice. It's not just for flavor. Lemon juice contains citric acid, a natural laxative that detoxifies your digestive tract and stimulates bowel movements. Just mix the juice of half a lemon in a warm glass of water and drink it at night and again first thing in the morning. Then we have coffee. A moderate amount of caffeine can stimulate the muscles in your digestive system. Just a cup or 2 can accelerate bowel movements, but be careful not to overdo it as too much caffeine can actually exacerbate constipation. Lastly, ginger tea. This warming herb increases your body's internal heat, which can speed up sluggish digestion. Its mild laxative effects also promote bowel activity. Drink it twice a day for the best results. What do you think about these remedies? Have you tried any? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Check out other videos on our channel for more ways to improve your health and reach your wellness goals.